Welcome back to lacomidadejeremie. I'm Jeremy and we're back in the kitchen for Recipe Wednesday, and today I'm giving you guys what everyone has been asking for ever since I was not vegan, my macaroni and cheese recipe. And no, I'm not going to give you away my whole recipe because it's my secret recipe, but I'm going to give you a shortened version that tastes very much like it. It tastes actually the same. It's very like ingredients, so I'm actually making a twist to this recipe. I made some buffalo mac and cheese, guys. This stuff right here is freaking bomb. You guys want this recipe. I'm not kidding you. Let's get into the video because you guys want to try this out. Let's go. In a small pot, we're gonna melt some butter. We're gonna add some almond milk or non-dairy milk of your liking, along with some veggie broth, and we're gonna heat this up for about 5 minutes or less and just let it soak in there and do its thing. Then we're gonna add in our cheese. I chose Follow Your Heart, just the cheddar slices. And then we're gonna add our seasoning. So you're gonna wanna use onion powder, garlic powder, some pepper, some salt, and Italian seasoning, along with some red pepper flakes, just for that extra spice and extra little kick that you need in that sauce. Then to a mixing bowl, we're gonna add cream cheese, some yogurt, vegan of course, and then we're gonna add our cheese mixture to this. Don't worry if it's too liquidy, it'll thicken up after it cools down a little bit, and when you add the pasta as well. Then we're gonna add in our buffalo sauce to make this spicy and delicious. You can make this as spicy as you would like. I like to add quite a bit. Honestly, after it bakes, it's really not all that spicy, so it's up to you how much you want to add in there. Then we're going to add in our pasta, mix that all up together, and the cheese sauce will thicken up when you add the pasta. Then in a greased baking dish, we're going to add our macaroni and cheese, and we're going to bake this after topping it with some panko crumbs. And there you guys have it, some simple buffalo mac and cheese that will not disappoint you. It's so good. Try it out. You're gonna love this dish. And if you don't like it spicy, you can leave out the buffalo and just have some simple mac and cheese that will be equally as delicious. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this plate up because it is so freaking good. If you guys decide to make this plate, make sure you guys post it on Instagram, tag me at lacomidadejeremie so I can see your creations. Also, be sure to follow me on my Instagram and my website. And also, if you guys like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, so I know it's real. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Love ya. Bye. Nah, but for real, this is good. This is like real good. Yeah. Spicy and cheesy.